Imagine a world where vast sheets of ice cover continents, where temperatures drop dramatically, and where life itself has to adapt or face extinction. This isn't science fiction, this is Earth during an ice age. But how does something like this even happen? Welcome to our deep dive into the science behind ice ages, one of the most fascinating natural events in our planet's history. Stay tuned to discover how ice ages begin, what causes them, and what it means for our future. Please drop a like on today's video and subscribe to see more from the GeoHub channel. Thank you. Defining ice ages. First, what exactly is an ice age? An ice age is a long period in Earth's history when global temperatures drop, causing polar ice sheets and glaciers to expand. These periods can last millions of years, with alternating cold glacial periods and warmer interglacial periods. Right now, believe it or not, we are living in an interglacial period within an ice age, which started about 2.6 million years ago, the Quaternary Ice Age. But how did these massive freezes begin in the first place? Milanovich Cycles. One of the key drivers behind ice ages is something called the Milanovich Cycles, named after the Serbian scientist who discovered them. These are subtle changes in Earth's movement and position in space, and they happen in three ways. The first is eccentricity. The shape of Earth's orbit around the Sun changes from more circular to more elliptical over a cycle of about 100,000 years. When the orbit is more elliptical, Earth's distance from the Sun changes more dramatically, influencing the planet's climate. The second change is axial tilt. Over a 41,000-year cycle, the angle of Earth's tilt changes. This tilt affects how much sunlight different parts of the planet receive. A greater tilt means more extreme seasons, while a lesser tilt makes seasons more moderate. The last change is precession. Earth wobbles on its axis like a spinning top, in a cycle lasting about 26,000 years. This wobble alters when seasons occur during Earth's orbit, changing how much sunlight each hemisphere receives at different times of the year. What exactly is the role of greenhouse gases? Another factor influencing ice ages is the amount of greenhouse gases, like carbon dioxide and methane in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun, keeping Earth warm. When greenhouse gas levels drop, less heat is trapped, and the planet cools. During ice ages, lower levels of greenhouse gases have been linked to cooling temperatures. But it's not just about how much carbon is in the atmosphere. It's also about where that carbon is stored, whether in the oceans, the land, or the atmosphere. Tectonic plate movements and ocean currents. Earth's surface itself plays a role in triggering ice ages. Over millions of years, the movement of tectonic plates reshapes the continents, which in turn can affect ocean currents. For example, when continents move toward the poles, ice sheets can grow larger. These shifting plates can also change ocean currents, which distribute heat around the planet. If warm ocean currents are blocked or redirected, regions can cool, setting the stage for ice sheets to form. Feedback loops, snowball effect. Now, once an ice age starts, it can create a feedback loop that intensifies the cooling. This is called the albedo effect. Ice and snow reflect a large portion of sunlight back into space, which reduces the amount of heat absorbed by the Earth. As more ice forms, more sunlight is reflected, and the Earth gets even colder, allowing ice sheets to spread even further. Why do ice ages end? Ice ages don't last forever. They end when natural processes push the planet back toward a warmer state. Sometimes tectonic activity triggers volcanic eruptions, releasing large amounts of CO2 into the atmosphere, trapping more heat and causing the ice to retreat. Changes in Earth's orbit or axial tilt can bring more sunlight to certain regions, warming them up and melting the glaciers. The planet then enters a warmer interglacial period, like the one we're in right now. Could another ice age happen in the future? Many scientists wonder, could we be headed for another ice age? Based on Earth's natural cycles, it's possible. However, the increase in greenhouse gases due to human activity is delaying that process. Some experts believe that climate change could actually prevent or delay the onset of the next glacial period. So while the Earth has its own natural rhythms, human influence is now playing a huge role in shaping the future of our planet's climate. The story of ice ages is a reminder of how delicate and interconnected Earth's systems are. From the tilt of our planet to the carbon in the atmosphere, Small changes can lead to massive transformations over time. That's it for today's video. Thanks for joining us on this journey through time. Be sure to drop this video a like and subscribe to the GeoHub channel for more fascinating videos about Earth's history and future. Bye for now.